Hi, is your iPhone or cell phone cracked, broken, not charging, wet, or just not working how you want it to? Are you looking for a quick repair from the best place to get your iPhone, iPad, or cell phone fixed? You're in luck. It's original and most experienced cell phone repair center. He specializes in iPhone repairs, and most of their repairs are done in less than an hour. Master Tech certified professionals. They can diagnose and troubleshoot all your cell phone problems, including screen replacements, battery repairs, charge ports, and much more. Call, email, or message us today for a free quote.